Welcome to this comprehensive guide on arrays and lists, two of the most fundamental collection data structures in programming. These structures allow us to store and manage multiple data elements efficiently. Understanding how to use them properly is essential for any programmer. Let's start by understanding the core difference between arrays and lists. An array is a fixed-size collection that stores elements in contiguous memory locations. This means once you create an array, its size cannot change. A list, on the other hand, is a dynamic collection that can grow or shrink as needed. The list automatically adjusts its size when you add or remove elements. Arrays have a fixed size determined at creation time, stored in contiguous memory, and provide very fast access to elements at constant time complexity, denoted as O of 1. However, inserting or deleting elements from an array takes O of n time. Lists have dynamic sizes that grow automatically, variable memory allocation, and slower access time of O of n, but inserting and deleting elements is much faster at O of 1 time complexity. For arrays, accessing an element is O of 1, searching takes O of n, inserting takes O of n, deleting takes O of n, and memory is fixed. For lists, accessing an element is O of n for linked lists but faster for array lists. Searching is O of n, inserting is O of 1, deleting is O of 1, and memory is dynamic. Note that these complexities vary slightly depending on the specific type of list implementation. Use arrays when the size is known and fixed, you need fast access to elements, memory efficiency is important, and the data is rarely modified. Use lists when the size is unknown or changes frequently, you need to add or remove elements often, dynamic behavior is required, and you prioritize flexibility over memory efficiency. Arrays allocate a continuous block of memory upfront. All elements sit next to each other in memory. Lists, particularly array list implementations, allocate memory dynamically. They start with a certain capacity and automatically expand when needed, leaving extra space for future elements to grow into without reallocating immediately. Here is how you declare an array in Java. Type name equals new type with size in brackets. Then you access elements using name and index in brackets. For a list, create a list of integer using new array list with angle brackets. Add elements using the add method. Access elements using the get method with the index. Notice that list syntax is more intuitive for adding and removing elements. Array methods include length, which returns the size, array bracket index to access elements, array bracket index equals value to set elements, and clone to make a copy. List methods include add to insert elements, get to retrieve elements, set to update elements, and remove to delete elements. Lists provide more convenience methods for modifying data. Arrays offer fixed size defined at creation, fast constant-time access, memory efficiency, but less flexibility for changes. Lists provide dynamic sizing that grows automatically, easy addition and removal of elements, some memory overhead, and are ideal when you don't know the size in advance. Choose arrays for performance-critical scenarios with known sizes. Choose lists for dynamic scenarios where data changes frequently. Both are essential tools in programming, and understanding when to use each will make you a better developer.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.